The Station Arts Centre is really the soul of this community. It's a cultural hub that brings people together. It uplifts and enriches the lives of those who live here and in the area, all around here. We have visual arts, we have performing arts, we have concerts, live theater, professional art gallery with touring Saskatchewan artists that have exhibits here year-round. We also have a craft beer and coffee bar. Having the arts in a community like Rosthern is super important because it's a way of people sharing stories, which builds community and connects us with our neighbors. We have a lot of different diverse communities near us, and this is one way to try to make everyone feel included and welcome.
The arts that they do here on the art night, I feel like the instruction is non-judgmental. Like you can just be creative and you don't feel like you have to be a professional artist. And for a small town, it's amazing that we have a facility like this.
We feel very fortunate to have the support of organizations like the Affinity Credit Union. Funding is tricky, and they support any of the programs that we do year-round. And so to know that you can count on certain people to support what it is that you do in the community means a lot. We've had a good relationship with the Affinity Credit Union. They're easy to work with, and it always gives us a huge sense of relief and gratitude.